Did you know there's actually a protein out there that's the beauty protein that helps with anti-aging, helps with hair growth, joint support, gut health, deep wrinkles, and longer, thicker nails and bone support? It's the collagen protein. It's unflavored. That's why I do the collagen protein with True Meal. But what is collagen protein? There's so many different types. You can get collagen protein from fish, from bovine collagen. The body has collagen already in it. But as you age, you actually start to lower the amount of collagen that the body has. So that's why supplementing with collagen is so important, and it's crazy the benefits you guys can get from it. You guys can go and check out the before and after photos too of people just taking collagen just for 1 month with True Collagen on fullertonnutrition.com. But it is crazy what happens. Like, people are posting photos of their before and after photos of longer eyelashes. Jen posted just 1 month before and afters. And what's super cool is you can actually load up with collagen. On your first month of doing collagen, do double the serving. So instead of doing just 2 scoops in just the morning, I'll do 2 scoops in the morning and at night. You can actually load up on it and get that abundant amount of collagen in the body so you can start benefiting from the collagen. And what's even crazier, it can help with graying of the hair. Yes, been digging into collagen. It can actually help with graying of the hair. It's literally the anti-aging protein. So when you ladies are going out, or even the men, you guys are going out getting your collagen creams and stuff for the face, you're actually not absorbing all of the collagen with it because it's so thick. When you actually ingest it, then you're going to absorb the collagen. So one, with the anti-aging, the collagen is going to actually help moisturize the skin. So deep wrinkles, it's because the UV rays drying out the skin. So with the having amazing hair, it's crazy what it does with the hair, but not just the hair, but the deep wrinkles too. So helps with the glowing of the skin, help the skin be more moisturized too. So that's going to help diminish the deep wrinkles and everything. So all you ladies are spending thousands of dollars on makeup every freaking day. Get some collagen in your life, because like I said, as you get older, the body starts to lower the amount of collagen that it has, and that's why it's so important to be able to supplement with the collagen protein. So True Collagen, it is unflavored, and I will do it with True Meal, the first meal of the day. True Meal, 50 grams of high quality isolate whey protein, as well to help with the amino acids, help with the recovery of your workouts and all that good stuff. Ladies, just because you don't work out doesn't mean you don't need protein. Everybody needs the protein. That's why all you women are ripping your hair out and leaving it on the shower wall, is because you're not taking in enough protein. You're not taking in enough nutrients. So it always goes back to make sure you're taking in the right amount of calories. But it's not just calories in versus calories out to becoming healthy. So there are different types of collagen. People ask me all the time, should I do a liquid collagen? People are talking about that it's better to do a liquid collagen. It's not actually, because when you do the powdered collagen, when your collagen's powdered and it's unflavored, there's no additives to it. It's just amino acids and your collagen protein. So when you go do a liquid one, now you're getting diluted product. You're getting diluted protein because they're adding artificial flavors, they're adding flavoring to it and stuff like that. So, and then the liquid one, it's not going to be as pure. And you want a hydrolyzed collagen. So just like with whey protein, when you go look at other ingredients, it's going to tell you what type of protein it is. Remember, if you guys haven't listened to the Weight Loss Over Coffee talking about protein and how to read protein labels, definitely make sure you guys go and do that. Don't forget, share this out, ladies and gents. Coach Tyler Fullerton here, trying to make this weight loss thing as simple as possible. But same thing with your protein labels. Go look at other ingredients, see where your protein's coming from. So a hydrolyzed is going to be the purest protein. It's processed and broken down to be more pure of a protein. And like with collagen and with a whey protein, with pea protein, you want an isolate or a hydrolyzed whey. Why? Or a hydrolyzed or isolate protein. Like a pea protein, you want an isolate. The reason why, it's easier to digest. It doesn't take as long to digest the protein and actually absorb the nutrients that your body needs. So that's why when people do a whey protein concentrate, they get bloated on it. So it's the same thing with the collagen. You want a hydrolyzed collagen. So True Collagen, it's a type 1 and a type 3 collagen. It's an abundant amount. It's more, how do I explain it? It's more of, you get more of the collagen with a type 1 and a type 3. It's a bovine collagen. And then when it comes down to marine collagen, it's a blanket of marine life collagen. we did quotations for everybody listening on the podcast. If you guys aren't following on the podcast or you guys haven't listened to the podcast, make sure you guys do so. Coach Tyler Fullerton everywhere. Coach Tyler Fullerton on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, podcasts, all over the place, and always on TikTok. Don't forget, guys, we do one-on-one calls every single night. If you know somebody who is struggling with weight loss, they're not losing body fat, they're trying to do 1,000 calories a day, that's it. They're thinking about doing weight loss surgery, they're doing all the ridiculous weight loss injections, pills, killing themselves in the gym, doing intermittent fasting, and they're not getting results, share this out. Let them know where they can go to get this weight loss stuff broken down. That's why we do the weight loss over coffee every day as well, talking about all the ridiculous stuff that's out there, clearing up the air to make this weight loss thing so simple, ladies and gents. Then at night, every single night, 7 p.m. Arizona time, we do the one-on-one calls. So you literally have a one-on-one trainer now for free. My goal is to help you guys understand how simple this weight loss thing is. I will do anything and everything I can to make sure you guys get the results that you want. But at the end of the day, you have to actually start. So with the marine collagen, it's a blanket. It could literally be shark. It could be fish. It could be tilapia. It could be a very low source of collagen if you do marine collagen. So that's why I would be going for the bovine collagen. You know it's going to be bovine. It's going to be cow collagen. And collagen's made up of tendons and bones and joints, and it's made up of the ligaments grind down, and it has the collagen protein in it. But remember, that's why you want a hydrolyzed one, because it's going to be filtered to be more pure of that protein molecule, so you're actually going to absorb it and get the benefits from it. So that's why you want to do a hydrolyzed protein or an isolate protein, like I said, across the board on all of them. But it can help with the hair growth, and like I said, it can help with graying of the hair. It's the anti-aging protein. It's what it is. The collagen is the main source that's going to help with deep wrinkles, glowing of the skin, gut health, joint support, and even your nails will get longer and thicker. I'm telling you guys, get some true collagen, load it up. Do 2 scoops in the morning, 2 scoops at night. Get those benefits your first month of taking the collagen. But there are crazy benefits on it, like I said. So collagen reduces split ends too. Collagen can help with the hair growth. But the marine one was very interesting to me. So the problem with the marine collagen is that you never know where you're getting it from. It just says marine. It's a blanket term. So it could be anything in the marine. It could be anywhere in the ocean. But like I said, with the liquid collagen, people always talk about wanting to do liquid collagen instead. You got a ton of additives to it. It's not going to be pure. You're going to get different artificial flavors, different artificial colorings, and the could be aspartame, dextrose, maltodextrin. It could be all of those different things in it. Instead, you want an unflavored powdered collagen because it's going to be more pure of the collagen protein. So I would definitely be taking in the collagen. I love it. I do it every single day. And like I said, I do it with the True Meal. But if you guys are new, welcome. Appreciate you guys a ton for listening on here. Make sure you guys smash the share button. Like I said, you don't understand how many of your friends, family, coworkers are all out there struggling with weight loss, struggling with getting the fat off the body. And that's my goal, is to make it as simple as possible, because I get it, guys. You guys are trying to do 1,200 calories a day. You guys are doing all these weight loss injections. You guys are thinking about doing weight loss surgery. I beg you guys not to do weight loss surgery. I promise you can get results just by eating healthy. But if you guys want to get some collagen protein, like I said, True Collagen, it's amazing. Share it out, try it out. It's unflavored. You can put it whatever the hell you want, honestly, because there's no taste to it. So, even in your cup of coffee, it makes it creamier. You don't have to put cream in it. Do collagen with True Meal. I'll do both at the same time. But True Meal is a type 1, type 3 hydrolyzed collagen protein. So go get it, guys. Go to fullertonnutrition.com and make sure you guys go and get the free step-by-step plan where I break it all down for you guys, give you guys exactly what I do, what I've got others doing to melt that fat off the body. On that note, have an amazing freaking day and figure out your why.